All right, we now move on to Ielts speaking part 2, and your topic is describe an ambition that you have for a long time. Ambition is a desire or a goal, whatever you want to do. You should say what it is, what you did for it means the measures or action. When can you achieve it, timeline, and explain why you have this ambition, reasons, right? So your topic is in the present tense. One point is in the past, what you did for it, when can you achieve it, it can be future, and explain why you have this ambition present, right? So please, you can start now.
I have had many ambitions in my life. Some ambitions I achieved and some I have failed. But I want to speak about this ambition when I was in Dubai. I chose this ambition because of the Dubai economy was going down. So I took that decision. I want to migrate another country. So that time for this all things I have to do many requirements like IELTS or something like that. So I decided to come back my home country and did my IELTS. After that IELTS I can go in Canada and I can settle in that country, because Canada I selected because economy was going very up, so I have a lot of opportunities to get their jobs and doing my all skills. So that's why. So I have a plan after IELTS taking my good bands. I want to shift myself to Canada.
Okay, you have spoken for 1 minute and 30 seconds. As far as fluency is concerned, your fluency is good. Second criteria is your pronunciation. That is fine. You speak clearly, but in grammatical range, you've got problems. You've got some grammatical mistakes. Like you said, can, settled, I decided to, and then you used did, and then you said economy was. It should have been economy is, because still economy is improving and all that. So these type of grammatical mistakes, and in lexical resource vocabulary, you should use a wide range of words. At this time, your word choice is very limited. So you need to come up with some other words which are related to the topic, right? That will improve your band score. Now we move on with IELTS speaking part 3. What kinds of ambitions do people have?
People have a lot of ambitions, like they want to choose like a study and go abroad. Different ambitions to make the life settle good.
Okay, so you can just give 2 to 3 type of ambitions. One is they can go abroad, secondly, thirdly, like that. Why should parents encourage their children to have ambitions?
Because ambitions in life is very important.
Are very important.
It's about the judgment in the life. So anyone can judge the situation. Ambition will be made.
Should parents interfere with children's ambitions?
Yes, because it's very important. They have experienced, so they can teach our children to make a good decision.
Yeah, they are experienced and they can teach their children, not our children, right? These type of mistakes, and there should be clarity in your answer. Clarity means there should be some content information. Now, is there any difference of ambition of grown-ups and that of children?
Yeah, many ambitions, like they are thinking about when they are going in upper age. So they want to be like doctors or engineers. So it's
no, you don't understand the question actually. Is there any difference of ambition of grown-ups and that of children? The difference between the ambitions of children and adults. So children have small ambitions like they want to get some toys, they want to collect some money, or sometimes they have some ambitions related to their education. On the other hand, adults have different ambitions. They want to go to a foreign country, construct a house, or find a good career, good job. This is how you need to talk about it, right? But anyways, the way you are speaking, I mean, considering all the factors, especially your performance in part 3, somehow you will be able to get 6 band in speaking with this type of thing. Try to improve it, and your major area is grammatical range, means grammar, and second is vocabulary.
I will
right?
try to improve it.
Yes, yes, yes. Thank you.